Good morning, Kevin. Thanks for joining me. What's the current state of play at Neoperl?
Morning, Tom. A pleasure to take part in the interview. As we all know, COVID-19 has affected everyone. But at Neoperl, we've worked throughout the pandemic as we manufacture water flow and stream control components for the healthcare sector across the world. Sanitation is now more critical than ever, and at Neoperl we're doing our bit to ensure that safe, clean water continues to be delivered across the world. Hospitals have been at full capacity in many areas, and taps, showers and water heaters are therefore being used even more. So the maintenance and servicing demand increases. As a global business, we did have the advantage that some of our sister companies were suffering from the COVID pandemic before us, and therefore, as a global business, a global team was formed and procedures put in place as early as February here in the UK, long before instruction from government. It took a lot more managing, but we treated the whole situation as a health and safety procedure and put safety measures in place for staff very early on. Business throughout has remained steady, and at the half year we expect that, or we were 12% down. May was a particularly bad month where we were 40% down on sales, but June we've seen a strong recovery. And July and the forward orders are looking extremely strong.
That's good stuff. One of the things we're doing a lot around at the moment is influencing government on the net carbon zero objectives. Why should reducing wastewater and water efficiency be part of that agenda? Yeah,
I think for us, the movement, the heating and treatment of water all require significant amounts of energy. A reduction in any of these, as they are inextricably linked, will reduce the carbon impact and feed into a solution to help carbon zero.
And what are the quick wins, do you think, Kevin?
Right. I think if we look at efficiency is a very difficult thing to quantify, and sometimes it's better to focus on reducing water usage rather than efficiency. And to this end, good end user habits. For example, turning off the tap when you're brushing your teeth, have showers rather than baths. Use the part flush function on toilet cisterns, and don't rinse dishes before loading them into your dishwasher. They're all quick wins as they only require user intervention rather than anything else. Then the next step would be to install water saving devices for those who are more conscious of the need to save water.
This is a short demonstration to show how a shower head fitted with a Neoperl PCRe flow regulator can help save water, energy and the associated costs while still delivering a comfortable showering experience. The test took approximately 30 seconds and saved almost 6 litres of water. This equates to 12 litres per minute, meaning the average 8-minute shower could save 96 litres of water per use per person.
So Neoperl are experts in water efficiency. What are some of the nuances, if you like, of installing water efficient devices in the UK?
I think in some cases, Tom, you just can't fit them. The faucets are not designed to accept them. These are few and far between, thankfully. We also have mixed systems, and in the UK particularly, we do have a lot of very low pressure systems and gravity fed, and some products are not suitable for these low pressure systems. I think we've got a lack of professional installers, and a lack of acceptance and understanding from consumers. There's also little financial incentive for the manufacturers, the retailers or installers to advise on or install water flow devices that save money.
Kevin, there seems to be a bit of a misunderstanding that there's a trade-off between the experience of taking an invigorating shower or using a tap and the consumer experience and a trade-off with water efficiency. Is that trade-off a myth?
Yes. In summary, I think for many people, water efficiency equates to poor performance of an appliance. And often this is due to a lack of understanding of how the products are designed to work. For example, we're told by retailers that consumers simply don't ask for water-saving showers. So it's the industry that I think needs to drive this initiative. We work closely with most manufacturers of taps and showers around the world to ensure that their designs are fitted with Neoperl products. They're our main customers, and we have a good working relationship with the vast majority of them. 90% of the flow regulators made around the world are from Neoperl. But our focus now is spreading the awareness that we provide a whole range of different products for different needs that can satisfy the retrofit market. Products that are easy to install and will make a massive difference to the amount of water we use, particularly when showering. Fundamentally, with well-designed products, the end customer experience should never be compromised. We've all experienced showers that hurt and splash too much, their flow rate being too strong, and we have a solution for that, which doesn't mean you have to drop the flow rate too low to be effective, and you get a comfortable experience. And that's an important word in Neoperl, comfortable, a comfortable experience.
This short demonstration shows how a Neoperl flow regulator works independent of pressure. The left side faucet has no flow control, and the right side is fitted with a 1.5 gallon per minute pressure compensating aerator, which is about 5.5 litres a minute. You'll see as the pressure increases, so does the left side flow, whereas the flow regulated side remains at a constant flow rate.
Likewise, we often have bathroom taps fitted with taps that splash out of the basin. And we've got effective flow regulators that help and only take minutes to fit. We've had some real successes in the hotel world, for example, where the owners have seen huge savings on water and energy bills, but we need the consumers to be aware of this too. What we require is the awareness of installers and retailers to spread the message. I hope that helps answer the question, Tom, but there's a lot more information available on www.watersaving.com if further information is required.
Kevin, thanks very much for your time this morning.
Thank you very much indeed, Tom. It's been a pleasure.